Imagine you're a busy project manager, juggling a million tasks at once. You're drowning in emails, sticky notes, and a cluttered to-do list. Is there a way to streamline your workflow, keep everything organized, and actually enjoy your job again? That's where Asana comes in. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. What is Asana? Asana is a popular project management tool that helps teams organize, plan, and collaborate on projects. It's designed to make your work more efficient and effective. Here's a quick overview of its key features. Tasks. Create and assign tasks, set due dates, and add priority levels. Projects. Organize tasks into projects with customizable workflows. Teams. Collaborate with team members and assign roles. Calendar. Visualize your workload and deadlines. Notifications. Stay updated on project progress and deadlines. Section 2. Benefits of using Asana. Now, let's explore the benefits of using Asana. Increased productivity. By keeping your tasks organized and accessible in one place, you can eliminate distractions and focus on what matters. Improved collaboration. Asana makes it easy for team members to communicate and collaborate effectively, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Enhanced visibility. With Asana's reporting and analytics features, you can track project progress, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. Better time management. Asana's calendar and due date reminders help you stay on top of deadlines and avoid procrastination. Section 3. Asana versus other project management tools. There are plenty of project management tools out there. So why choose Asana? Let's compare it to some popular alternatives. Trello. While Trello is great for simple projects, Asana offers more advanced features like custom workflows and reporting. Basecamp. Basecamp is a good option for small teams, but Asana is more scalable and offers a wider range of features. Monday.com. Monday.com is highly customizable, but can be complex for beginners. Asana strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality. Section 4. Is Asana worth the cost? Asana offers both free and paid plans. So, is it worth upgrading to a premium plan? Here's a breakdown of what you get with each plan. Free plan. Basic features, limited team size and storage. Premium plan. Advanced features like custom fields, time tracking, and priority levels. Business plan. All premium features, plus advanced reporting, integration with other tools, and dedicated support. Whether or not the premium plan is worth the cost depends on your team's specific needs and budget. If you're a large team with complex projects, the premium or business plan might be a good investment. Section 5. Tips for getting started with Asana. If you're new to Asana, here are some tips to help you get started. Start small. Don't try to manage all your projects in Asana at once. Start with 1 or 2 and gradually add more as you get comfortable. Customize your workflow. Asana is highly customizable, so take advantage of features like custom fields and project templates to create a workflow that works for your team. Utilize integrations. Asana integrates with a variety of other tools, so explore the options and find ones that can streamline your workflow. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling to use Asana, don't hesitate to reach out to the community or Asana support for assistance. So, is Asana app worth it? The answer is, it depends. If you're looking for a powerful and flexible project management tool that can help you increase productivity, improve collaboration, and enhance your team's efficiency, then Asana is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.